Let's consider the steps required to solve simultaneous linear equations by the elimination method. That is, when you are to solve a simultaneous linear equation and you choose to use the elimination method, these are going to be the steps that when you follow them carefully, you would arrive at the correct answer without error. We're trying to minimize your error when you are solving the simultaneous linear equation. So step 1, you would write the two equations. So you could have x plus y equals a certain number, then 2x plus some y equals another number. When you write that equation, remember to label them equation 1 and equation 2. The next step is you choose the variable you wish to eliminate. For example, I can decide to eliminate x first. So I can choose that from the two equations, let me eliminate x in order to solve for y. Now, the way you do this is you multiply equation 1 by the coefficient of x in equation 2, and then you multiply equation 2 by the coefficient of x in equation 1. So when you do this, that will make the value of x and that of, as in the coefficient of x in equation 1 and the coefficient of x in equation 2, it will make them the same. That way you can eliminate x. So step 3. To eliminate x, what you then do is you subtract equation 2 from equation 1. So when you apply the subtraction, you will discover that since coefficient of x in equation 1 and coefficient of x in equation 2 are the same, when you subtract them, you will get 0 for x, and then you will then be able to solve for y, which is our step 4. You solve for y. And after that, you then substitute the value of y into any of the original equations. In order to solve for x. So when you have gotten the value of y, you then choose any of the original equation, that is either equation 1 or equation 2, and replace y with the answer you got for the value of y. That way you'll be able to solve for x. And then finally, you check the answer by substituting the values of x and y into any of the original equations. Trust me, when you follow these 6 steps carefully, you cannot miss it. You will become a master at solving the simultaneous linear equation using the elimination method. Thank you.